Hello friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Talks on Homeopathy. Let us learn and understand homeopathy together. In this video, we are going to discuss the characteristic picture of Carbo Veg, a wonderful antiseptic medicine in homeopathy prepared from vegetable charcoal. So let us start the video. For Carbo Veg, we are first going to discuss mental state. The first characteristic feature of mental state is the patient is very slow in reaction and lacking in reactivity. That's why he behaves as if he is in a confused state. He is also indifferent to his surroundings and environment. There is also inability to perceive what is right and what is wrong, and that's why he will behave as if a foolish person or an insane person. The suicidal thoughts by shooting are also very common in patients of Carbo Veg. On general level, the first characteristic state is a state of sluggishness or relaxed and slow state of symptoms and organs. If we consider the example of a circulatory system, there is a sluggishness of a blood vessels, and because of this they are not going to constrict at time of hemorrhage, and that's why the patient will suffer with a continuous hemorrhagic conditions after operations, after injuries, or during menstruations in females. The relaxed state of blood vessels also causes the varicosities. There are slow state of circulatory system which causes the numbness in different parts. There is a sluggishness in body functions, and that's why the patient will suffer with digestive troubles, sexual dysfunctions like impotency and early ejaculation, muscular skeletal troubles like tremors, easy fatigue and weakness. The process of disease and progress of disease is also slow in Carbo Veg patient. The healing process is also very late and recovery is very slow. That's why the patient repeatedly complains that he is never well since he had suffered with particular disease. The next physical general is burning pain. In every disease and in every complaint of Carbo Veg, the patient will express the burning pain and the burning kind of pains in all regions. The patient also suffers with ulcerative diseases with echorous putrid discharges which makes parts raw and sore. The discharges of Carbo Veg are copious, watery, echorous and blackish. The patient also suffers from debility after discharges like hemorrhages, menses and after nursing to the infants. One more characteristic objective symptom of Carbo Veg is cyanotic flushed face. The common aggravating factors for Carbo Veg are warmth, depletions, cooling off, exhausting disease, high living, rich food, decayed food, dissipation, overlifting, walking in open air, extremes of weather and temperature, suppressions, old age, reading aloud, singing, and icy drinks. Now begin with the characteristic particulars. The first is occipital headache in damp weather. There is also weakness in gastric function, and more commonly the patient is going to suffer with flatulency and flatulent colic. Carbo Veg is a wonderful medicine for flatulent condition in upper abdomen, where the patient is going to suffer with loud eructations and colicky pain. There is also coldness of whole body and still patient wants to be fanned. There are dreams of fire and burglars in patient. There is also coryza in warm room or by warmth or heat. There is rawness of throat. Coryza goes from throat to larynx and produces hoarseness and rawness. This is a wonderful medicine where the coryza directly settles down into the larynx or in lower respiratory tract. The patient also suffers with a dry rattling cough where he sleeps in cough and wakes with cough. The medicine is for intermittent fever where we have desire for cold water during chill and no thirst during heat. The patient will express one-sided chilliness during intermittent fever. The common clinical conditions of Carbo Veg are surgical shock or collapse, ulcerative diseases, hemorrhages, humid asthma, badly treated pneumonia, septic condition, and old catarrh. You can wonderfully prescribe Carbo Veg whenever you are having all mental and physical symptoms of Carbo Veg with this many clinical conditions. For further reference, you can refer lectures on Homeopathic Materia Medica by Dr. J.T. Kent and Homeopathic Materia Medica by Dr. S.R. Phatak and Drug Pictures by Dr. M.L. Tyler. For your suggestions and queries, you can write in comment sections. You can also visit my blog and my site for further references. Thank you for watching this video.